The journey of the Karen people begins in Babylon around 2234 BC.
Our ancestors set out on a long migration that would span centuries.
By 2197 BC, the Karen had arrived in Mongolia, living there for 180 years.
Here, our ancestors built communities and cultivated the land.
In 2013 BC, the Karen journeyed to China, continuing their migration southward. We lived in China for 147 years, preserving our traditions and culture. By 1864 BC, the Karen reached Tibet, a land of high peaks and cold winds.
For 476 years, we adapted to the mountains while keeping our way of life. In 1385 BC, the Karen moved to Yunnan, where we lived for 644 years. In Yunnan, our culture thrived and communities grew stronger.
Around 1125 BC, the Karen first arrived in Kaula, our future homeland.
We established villages, farming fertile lands, and living in harmony with nature.
Through centuries, the Karen preserved our language, customs, and identity.
Contrary to some accounts, the Karen are a major indigenous nation in Burma.
Today, over 8 million Karen live in Burma, keeping our heritage alive.
Our cultural celebrations showcase music, dance, and strong community bonds.
Education and oral tradition keep the Karen language alive.
Farming and connection to the land remain central to Karen life. Today, the Karen are found across the globe, from Asia to the world.
Wherever we go, the Karen maintain our traditions and culture. Spirituality and rituals guide our people in daily life. Art and handicrafts preserve our heritage visually and culturally. Music carries our stories forward, connecting past and present. Passing knowledge to the younger generations ensures our culture survives.
The Karen continue to thrive in our ancestral lands, resilient and proud.
Our people value nature, community, and learning from elders.
Despite hardships and misrepresentation in history, we remain strong and united.
The Karen balance tradition with modern life, contributing globally. Cultural celebrations remain a cornerstone of Karen identity.
Over centuries, the Karen have spread worldwide, carrying our heritage far and wide.
From our first settlements to today, the Karen story is one of endurance and pride.
Young and old alike continue the legacy of the Karen nation.
Everyday life reflects centuries of tradition and adaptation.
Our journey spans thousands of years, showcasing resilience and continuity.
Stories of ancestors guide us, reminding us of our roots and history.
The Karen remain a proud indigenous nation, first in Kaula, now Burma, and beyond.
Our heritage endures, our culture thrives, and our people continue to shine worldwide.